So next, multiple headings on the page. We want to target the second one just to prove that we don't have to get the first of everything every time. So I'm going to switch back to my HTML, and I'm not going to use the sidebar. Right now there's only 3 or 4 counting the README files, so it's not that big a deal to find what I'm looking for, but we're going to have many, many more files than that by the end of the 3 weeks. So I'm going to get in the habit now of using Command P to switch files. You can start typing any part of the file name, and it just finds it for you. So in this case, they're all named index. So if I just start typing HTML, well, it's the only file with an H in it even. So I can just hit H, enter, Command P J, there we go, Command P C, got my CSS, oh no, got my commit edit message. HTML, there we go. Let's look at my HTML. I've got an H1 right now. Let's add another H1. Spellbook. Darn right it is. I don't know. But this H1, it's special. Now I want to change that one. What do I do? H1.special or just .special, either way. Refresh. Totally works. So why might we want to use both? Other elements that have the same class. Yeah. So like, let's have some paragraphs here. P, classical special. Is that another one? Okay. Now I could say P.special. And it changes that one. Cool. If we wanted to do it by ID, just use a hash instead. But there can only be one element on the page with a given ID. With class, you can have many things with the same class. Cool, let's commit that. Git add dot get, let me do that. Let me undo that. Okay, git status. I changed both files this time, right? So if I were to say git add index.html and run git status, I would see changes to be committed, index.html, changes not staged for commit, index.js. So if I were to commit right now, I would commit one file and not the other. But I want to commit them both, so commit. This commit will update a special paragraph. Push. Questions? Very good.